Okay, this is my video for my pig dissection. So we're gonna start out with the thyroid glands, which are down here. Actually, there's one of them kind of detached. There's the thyroid glands. So basically the thyroid is part of the endocrine system. So basically they store, produce, and release hormones and help regulate the body, basically. We got the aorta, which is coming out of the top of the heart, right around here. So the aorta is, of course, part of the circulatory system. It's the main way that oxygenated blood leaves, or not oxygenated, just blood in general leaves the heart through the aorta, part of the circulatory system. The heart itself, of course, part of the circulatory system, helps carry blood throughout the body and back to the heart, to the lungs to get oxygenated, to the body to oxygenate cells, and back to the heart, and such and such. The spleen, which should be this right here, is the spleen. It's, oh, hold on, let me see, make sure I can get a good, this right here is the spleen. And your spleen is part of your lymphatic system. It helps remove waste, basically, and helps the body fight off infection with white blood cells. The larynx, located underneath the esophagus. It's right there underneath. I have to sort of move it out of the way, so right there. The larynx is part of the respiratory system and helps, of course, get the oxygen from outside into your body, down into your lungs, so that it can be used to oxygenate your blood. Your diaphragm, which is also part of your respiratory system. It'll be right around this area. It's kind of hard to see because it got a little cut up, but right around here is the diaphragm. It's basically a muscle that's used to contract your chest cavity and to expand and deflate your lungs, so to exhale CO2 as well as to inhale oxygen. You're using your diaphragm to do that. Next, we've got the gallbladder, which should be located around here. That's where your gallbladder is about. And the gallbladder is part of the digestive system. It helps, it stores bile, which basically helps you digest food. So that's what the gallbladder does. The colon, so the colon, also known as the large intestines, is right back here behind the small intestines. You'll see right here, this is the colon, the large intestines. So that's part of your digestive system, and it basically moves food throughout your body and allows you to eat and digest food. So moving on to the kidneys. Now the kidneys are a part of the urinary system, and basically they're underneath here. So if we move all this out of the way, we could see them sort of tucked in down here. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see, but basically they're tucked right down here. Those are the kidneys down there. And the kidneys are part of the urinary system, and they basically take that food and nutrients and convert it into waste in the form of urine so that you can get it out of your body. So, last but not least, we have the testicles, because this is a male pig, so we're not going to be having ovaries on this pig. It's testicles, so these testicles are part of the reproduction system, and they obviously produce sperm and help the pig to fertilize another pig's egg if they were to mate and have more pigs. So that is my video on my dissection.